Nothing significant has happened in the Bitcoin market over the past 24 hours. As you can see, it's still moving within the same range as before. And of course, it's had a slight upward movement of about 2 to 3% in order to fill this FPG here. But if you take a very close look at the daily time frame, actually the daily time frame itself, let me just zoom this out a little bit more. You'll clearly see that we previously had a significant rectangular area here, which was a distinct zone where Bitcoin was consistently moving. Subsequently, this particular rectangle then moved, and as you can plainly see, it eventually came into roughly this specific range. Indeed, it was approximately within this particular range. Now a bit lower, of course, where it broke this level and moved downward. Right now, it's almost forming a completely new, distinct rectangle in this particular area again. Now we have to hope that this doesn't happen, otherwise we'll probably have to move within this rectangle for a while. This upward movement suggests that it might be able to continue moving up in the coming days, because as you can see, the market doesn't seem inclined to move downward. After this shadow appeared here, as is clear, the market is completely inclined toward an upward bullish movement. Now we have to see what happens next. The level it needs to reclaim if it wants to move upward is exactly this 110,000 level where I'm currently standing, and the same rectangle that I just drew for you all. It needs to reclaim this level in order to be able to move upward. Of course, regarding tether dominance as well, as you can see here, there was a trend line, and now you can see that it seems to have broken this trend line a bit. Now we have to see whether this breakout is valid or not. If it manages to break this to the downside, it will move down, and at the very least, it will retest the 4.80 level, which would allow Bitcoin to move upward and possibly reach the 110 level.